Welcome all. In this video, we will solve question number 9, 10, 11 of exercise 1.4 of chapter 1 Relations and Functions of class 12 NCERT. So let us start. Question number 9 says, let star be a binary operation on the set Q of rational numbers as follows. First part is A star B equal to A minus B. Second, A star B equal to A square plus B square. Third, A star B equal to A plus AB. Fourth, A star B equal to A minus B whole square. Fifth, A star B equal to AB by 4. And sixth is A star B equal to AB square. Find which of the binary operations are commutative and which are associative. तो इन क्वेश्चंस में से हमने फाइंड आउट करना है कौन से बाइनरी ऑपरेशंस कम्यूटेटिव हैं और कौन से एसोसिएटिव हैं. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट देखिए. फर्स्ट पार्ट सेज ए स्टार बी इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी. तो फर्स्ट वी विल चेक फॉर कम्यूटेटिविटी. कम्यूटेटिविटी के लिए हम क्या चेक करेंगे? ए स्टार बी शुड बी इक्वल टू बी स्टार ए. नाउ हियर ए स्टार बी इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी एंड बी स्टार ए विल बी बी माइनस ए. A के प्लेस पर B रखेंगे, B के प्लेस पर A. But we know B minus A is equal to minus of A minus B. So we can say B star A is not equal to A star B. Or other way, A star B is not equal to B star A. So that means here operation star is not commutative. Now we check for associativity. So for that, first we will find out bracket A star B star C. तो A star B की वैल्यू पहले हम पुट करेंगे, that is A minus B. So this becomes bracket A minus B star C. Now first element is A minus B, second is C. So this A minus B star C becomes A minus B, that is first element, minus C, that is second element. Now again C, A star bracket B star C. Now first B star C, उसकी वैल्यू हमने पुट करी तो it becomes A star bracket B minus C. Now first element is A, second is B minus C. Apply operation star on these two, so it becomes first element A minus second element B minus C. Open the bracket, so it becomes A minus B plus C. साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. सो हेयर वी कैन सी A star B bracket A star B star C is not equal to A star bracket B star C. So associativity की कंडीशन फुलफिल नहीं हुई. So we can say star is not associative. Now see the second part. सेकेंड पार्ट में A star B की वैल्यू हमें दी हुई है A square plus B square. तो अगेन फॉर कम्यूटेटिविटी A star B होगा A square plus B square. If we change the order, it remains same. That is, we can write it as B square plus A square also. और B square plus A square क्या बना? B star A. So we can say A star B equal to B star A. So operation star is commutative. Now see for associativity. Now here bracket A star B star C, that is equal to A star B की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे A square plus B square. So it becomes bracket A square plus B square star C. Now apply operation on these two elements, that is A square plus B square and C. So it becomes square of first element, that is A square plus B square का whole square, plus में square of second element, that is plus C square. Again A star bracket B star C. अब इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. तो पहले B star C की वैल्यू हम पुट करेंगे तो वो आ जाएगी B square plus C square. BC पर हमने ऑपरेशन स्टार अप्लाई किया. Now it becomes A star bracket B square plus C square. Now apply operation star on first element A and second element B square plus C square. तो it becomes A का स्क्वायर फर्स्ट एलिमेंट का स्क्वायर प्लस में सेकेंड एलिमेंट का स्क्वायर यानी कि B square plus C square का whole square. So we can check these two are not equal, that is bracket A star B star C not equal to A star bracket B star C. So we can say star is not associative. This operation is not associative. Now see the third part. It says A star B is given A plus AB. So again we check for commutativity. A star B की value होगी A plus AB as given. B star A की value क्या हो जाएगी? A की place पर B put करेंगे और B के place पर A. So it becomes B plus BA. So here also we can see these two are not equal. That is A star B is not equal to B star A. तो यहाँ से क्या आ गया? Star is not commutative. Now for associativity, bracket A star B star C. That is equal to A star B की value हमने put करी A plus AB star C. So now again apply operation on first element A plus AB, second on C. So it becomes first element A plus AB plus first element into second element, that is A plus AB into में C. Now we solve this, so it becomes A plus AB plus AC plus ABC. ये value आ गई. Now find out A star bracket B star C. तो first apply operation on B and C, तो it becomes A star. BC पे जब हम apply करेंगे तो it becomes B plus BC. Now apply operation on first element A and second B plus BC. So it becomes first element, that is A, plus product of two elements, that is A into B plus BC. तो जब हम इसको multiply करेंगे bracket को A से, तो it becomes A plus AB plus ABC. So we can check that bracket A star B star C is not equal to A star bracket B star C. So here this operation star is not associative. Now comes the fourth part. It says here binary operation is A star B equal to A minus B whole square. So check for commutativity. A star B की value हमें दी है A minus B का whole square. If we change the order, that is if we write B minus A in place of A minus B, the result becomes same, because A minus B whole square equal to B minus A whole square, and B minus A whole square is equal to B star A. So we can say A star B is equal to B star A here. So our binary operation star is commutative. Now for associativity, bracket A star B star C, that is equal to A star B की value पहले put करी A minus B का whole square star C. Now apply the operation on first element A minus B whole square and second C. So it becomes first element A minus B का whole square minus second element, that is minus C, और पूरे का whole square. Similarly, A star bracket B star C will be, first apply operation on B and C, so it becomes A star B minus C whole square. Now we have to apply the operation on first element A and second B minus C whole square. So it becomes A minus B minus C whole square का whole square. Now again we can see that bracket A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. So here star is not associative. This binary operation is not associative. Now the next part, fifth part says A star B is equal to AB by 4. Here binary operation is given to be by A star B equal to AB by 4. Now checking for commutativity, A star B की value है AB by 4, which is equal to BA by 4. If we change the order, the result does not suffer. So BA by 4 हो गया हमारा B star A. So we can say A star B equal to B star A and star is commutative. Now for associativity, bracket A star B star C, इसकी value हम निकालेंगे, तो A star B की पहले value हमने put करी, that is AB by 4. So it becomes AB by 4 star C. Now we apply the operation on first element AB by 4 and second element C. So it becomes product of these two elements, that is AB by 4 into C upon में 4. So on solving we get ABC by 16. Now find out A star bracket B star C. So this is equal to A star, BC पर पहले ऑपरेशन हम अप्लाई करेंगे तो it becomes BC by 4. Now first element is A, second is BC by 4. Again apply the binary operation. So we get product of these two, that is A into BC by 4 upon 4. So solving this, again we get ABC by 16. So we can see both are equal, that is bracket A star B star C is equal to A star bracket B star C. So by definition, star is associative, and we can say this binary operation star is commutative as well as associative. Now moving on to next question. Sixth part says A star B equal to AB square. Now here binary operation A star B is given to be AB square. Now for commutativity, A star B is AB square, and we can see B star A will be BA square. So these two are not equal, that is A star B not equal to B star A. So here star is not commutative. Now for associativity, C bracket A star B star C, that is equal to, पहले A star B की वैल्यू हमने पुट करी AB square. So it becomes AB square star C. Now again first element is AB square, second is C. So it becomes first element, that is AB square, into square of second element, that is C square. So it is AB square C square. Now find out A star bracket B star C. Now B star C पे हम ऑपरेशन अप्लाई करेंगे तो that becomes A star BC square. Now first element is A and second is BC square. Again apply the operation, so it becomes A into BC square का whole square. On solving we get A B square C की power 4. So we can see bracket A star B star C not equal to A star bracket B star C. These both are not equal. So here we can say star is not associative. Thus we conclude that here the binary operation star is neither commutative nor associative. Now the next question, 10th question says, show that none of the operations given above has identity. तो जो क्वेश्चन हमने 9th में किए थे, 9th के जितने भी पार्ट्स थे उन सब में हमने क्या बताना है कि किसी भी पार्ट में आइडेंटिटी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती. सो लेट अस सी फर्स्ट पार्ट. देखिए A स्टार B हमें दिया था A minus B. Here star is binary operation on Q, that is set of rational numbers. Now we can see there does not exist any element E in rational numbers for which A star E equal to A equal to E star A. This condition does not this condition is not satisfied by any element E, because A star E will be A minus E, and if we take E equal to 0, then E minus A will be minus A, not A. So we can say that there is no identity for star. Second part में क्या है, A star B equal to A square plus B square. Here also we can see there does not exist any element E belonging to set of rational numbers such that A star E equal to A equal to E star A. Because if we find out A star E, it becomes A square plus E square, which is not equal to A. So that means हमारे पास यहाँ भी identity नहीं है. थर्ड पार्ट में देखिए A स्टार B की वैल्यू दे रखी है A प्लस AB. इसमें भी अगर मान लीजिए E आइडेंटिटी है, let E be the identity of star. So by definition A star E should be equal to A. But A star E यहाँ पर कितना आएगा, A plus AE. A कॉमन ले लिया तो it becomes A into 1 plus E, which is not equal to A. So there does not exist any element E belonging to set of rational numbers such that A star E equal to A equal to E star A. So here again we can see that this star has no identity. Now next part, A star B equal to A minus B whole square. Again, if we consider let E be the identity of this operation star, देन ए स्टार ई दैट इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस ई का होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, which is equal to a square plus e square minus 2ae. Now this is again not equal to a. So here also we can say कि there does not exist any e belonging to set of rational numbers such that a star e equal to a equal to e star a. So that means binary operation star has no identity. Now next part, fifth part says a star b equal to ab by 4. Now here again let E be the identity of star, then A star E equal to AE by 4. Again this is not equal to A, ये भी A के बराबर नहीं है, तो यहाँ से क्या आ गया, there does not exist any element E in set of rational numbers such that A star E equal to A equal to E star A. So again we can say the binary operation star has no identity. Now sixth part says A star B equal to AB square. Again let E be the identity of this binary operation. Then A star E that will be equal to AE square. Again this AE square is not equal to A. So this does not satisfy the condition for identity. So we can say there does not exist any element E belonging to set of rational numbers for which A star E equal to A equal to E star A. Again this operation star has no identity. So it completes 10th question. Now 11th question, it says let A equal to n into n where n is set of natural numbers. It is Cartesian product of set of natural numbers, and star be the binary operation on A defined by here elements will be of ordered pair type. So if this operation is defined on ordered pairs, so it is defined by a comma b star c comma d equal to a plus c comma b plus d. तो इस तरह से ये डिफाइन किया हुआ है. शो दैट स्टार इज कम्यूटेटिव एंड एसोसिएटिव. हमने शो करना है कि यहाँ पर बाइनरी ऑपरेशन जो है वो कम्यूटेटिव भी है, एसोसिएटिव भी है. एंड फाइंड द आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट फॉर स्टार ऑन ए इफ एनी. और हमें इसका आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट निकालना है अगर वो एग्जिस्ट करता है तो इसका आंसर देखिए. अब हमें ए दिया हुआ है कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट n इंटू एन दैट इज सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स, एंड स्टार बाइनरी ऑपरेशन हमें दिया है ordered pair AB star ordered pair CD equal to ordered pair A plus C comma B plus D. Now for commutativity if we check AB star CD उसकी वैल्यू है A plus C comma B plus D, and अगर हम opposite लें that is CD star AB तो again we get C plus A comma D plus B. Now C plus A को हम A plus C भी लिख सकते हैं और D plus B को again B plus D भी लिख सकते हैं because addition is commutative in set of natural numbers. So हमारे पास यहाँ से क्या आ गया, this is equal to AB star CD. So by definition we can say this operation star is commutative. Now for associativity consider three elements A, B, C, D and E, F. Now first of all we will find out bracket AB star CD star EF. So it becomes पहले ABCD पर हम ऑपरेशन अप्लाई करेंगे तो it becomes A plus C comma B plus D star ordered pair E comma F. Now we apply the binary operation on these two elements that is A plus C comma B plus D and E comma F. So it becomes A plus C plus E comma B plus D plus F. Now again find out AB star bracket CD star EF. अब पहले हम CD EF पर ऑपरेशन लगाएंगे तो it becomes AB star C plus E comma D plus F. Now we solve this. First element है AB, second element है C plus E D plus F. तो बाइनरी ऑपरेशन जब हम अप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या वैल्यू आ जाएगी, A plus C plus E and B plus D plus F. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट को फर्स्ट में ऐड करेंगे और सेकंड को सेकंड में. सो नाउ ए बी स्टार सी डी स्टार ई एफ इसकी वैल्यू हम देखेंगे. सो इट बिकम्स ए बी स्टार सी प्लस ई एंड डी प्लस एफ. So again we will add first element in first, that is a plus c plus e, और second element को second में add करेंगे तो b plus d plus f. So we can see we have got the same result, that is ab star cd within bracket star ef is equal to ab star bracket cd star ef. So therefore star is associative. Now we will check for identity. Let EF be the identity of star. हमने मान लिया कि element EF star की identity है. Now we will find EF. So by definition, AB star EF should be equal to AB. किसी भी element से अगर हम उसका operation लगाएंगे identity पे तो same element आना चाहिए. So now we apply this binary operation on AB and EF. So it becomes A plus E comma B plus F, that is equal to A comma B. Now comparing the element, first element को first element से compare करा तो A plus E की value आ गई A, और second को second से करेंगे तो B plus F की value आ गई B. So from here we get E equal to 0 and F equal to 0. But we know this operation is defined on set of natural numbers and 0 is not a natural number. So these element E and F, that is ordered pair EF, it does not belong to set of natural numbers. So we can say that this operation star has no identity. So this completes 11th question, and with this exercise 1.4 is completed. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.